quick demonstration of how to use Staplet.com to do a exponential regression. We're going to start with two quantitative variables. This is going to be from our AQR notes. We got bounce number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the height of the bounce. So it initially starts at 3 feet, and then it drops to 2.28, and then 1.74, and then 1.32, and then 1.01, and then 0.76. So let begin analysis, and we can see in our graph here, it's not linear, it's slowly going down and not returning as high, but it's bouncing, ball's bouncing. So we can calculate the least, we go down to regression models, calculate correlation. We want to change and calculate other regression model exponential, and click calculate, and it'll give us an approximate equation with A, our initial value of approximately 3. That's where we started from, 3 feet. And then our decay value or decay factor there, it only returned to about 76% of its height each time. Got an R squared value that looks pretty good. And then we can see how far off that value is. The residual, it's super close. And that line, look how strongly associated that line is as well. All right, hope you can do it now.